Hey guys, Elizabeth here with Healthy Nuggets, where we get healthy one nugget at a time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this video is going to be a little bit different because I am going to be filming for you guys how to freeze fresh picked fruit. So it's one of my favorite things to do, to go annually during the right season and go pick fresh wild fruit. So I live here in Atlanta, Georgia. So I did strawberries recently, I did peaches, I did blueberries and blackberries. So the first thing I'm gonna show you how to freeze fresh blackberries. So let's get into it. All right, so I have these blackberries. These are wild picked blackberries, fresh from the farm right here in Georgia, and I am going to literally just rinse these in this little colander right here in the sink, and then I'm going to show you the next step. Let's do it. All right, once you have rinsed your blackberries off, you are going to take wax paper or parchment paper and put it on top of a sheet pan, and we're going to lay these blackberries out on here nice and individually. I'll show you. So actually, before I put them on this parchment paper on the pan, I am dumping them out onto a paper towel from the colander because I want them to dry just a little bit on a paper towel or 2 or 3 so that they can get some of the moisture out of them just for a few seconds before I put them onto the parchment paper, wax paper on top of a sheet pan. So something already looks so beautiful. Yeah, baby. All right, good people, I have laid out these beautiful fresh picked blackberries. Remember, I rinsed them in the colander, nice and gentle in cold water. Then I dried them out for just a little bit, maybe a minute. Like, you don't have to do it that long, in my opinion. Then I put parchment, or you can use wax paper, on a sheet pan and laid them out nicely. Here, look at my little watermelon nails. It's so cute, yeah. So anyways, now we're gonna stick these in the freezer for about 3 hours, and then I'll show you what's next. See you in a bit. I have so much stuff in my freezer right now, so these are like all the way at the top. But yep, literally just stuck this in my freezer. So we're gonna let these sweet juicy berries freeze, and then I'll show you the next step. All right guys, I'm back. They've been in the freezer. I just took the blackberries out of the freezer. As you can see, there is some frost on there. They're nice and sparkly with those ice crystals. I had them in the freezer for like 3 to 5 hours. Kind of lost track of the time a little bit. But what I'm gonna do now, so let me explain the reason why you want to freeze them on a pan with parchment or wax paper first individually with them spread out like this before you put them in like a ziplock freezer bag is because if you just automatically wash them and do a little drying and then freeze them in a bag, they'll get all stuck together. So when you do it like this, it helps them to freeze individually, and that way you then put them in the freezer bag, so when you want to make smoothies or whatever you want to do with them, you can actually pick one up and they're not all stuck together. All right, so I got them in my Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and now they will individually stay apart to make it easier for making smoothies, and I'll try to use these within 3 to 5 months. Woohoo! There you go. That's how to freeze fresh fruit. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to freeze fresh fruit so that you don't have to waste your fruit so much. If you feel like you're not going to use all your fresh fruit, you can freeze it before it goes bad and use it for smoothies and still get your money's worth. Your kids will love them, you will love them, and it wasn't that hard, right? So if you like this video and want me to make more videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment below, let me know if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single week. My name is Elizabeth with Healthy Nuggets, and you can also follow me on Instagram at healthy_nuggets. Love you guys. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.